So I definitely owe some of you guys an apology, but we will get to that in just a minute. So as you guys may know, I bought a 2023 Jeep Gladiator, and that meant that there were 4 Jeeps in my fleet, and really I needed to get rid of something. Jeeps are definitely not economical vehicles to drive. They're bricks on wheels. Even the new ones, they do not get good gas mileage. And after we got the Gladiator, my wife was driving it to and from work every day at about 14 miles to the gallon. And that hurts. I don't care who you are. It hurts a little bit when you have that mileage. Now, originally when we got this, we had planned on trading in her 15 Cherokee when we got the Gladiator. But after a lot of negotiation, talking the price down, they said they didn't want it. So I hung on to it for a bit. I didn't want to put any more miles on it, so we left it parked because eventually I was going to want to sell it. But at the same time, that car just had gremlins. And I honestly would not feel right if I sold it to somebody and something happened with it. I know that I wouldn't have been able to sleep well at night selling it. I really just wanted to trade it in, call it a day, and get a new vehicle with a warranty. I'm tired of working on things after I buy them. I'd much rather get something with a warranty. So after doing some research and driving around in a few of my friends' cars, I decided that it was time to go trade it in on a Kia Forte. So I am 1 Jeep less in my fleet, and I am up another Kia. Please don't judge me. It is what it is. Honestly, it's a really nice car. It's the GT model, so it's got a lot of get up and go, and it's got all the bells and whistles, heated seats, all of that nice stuff. So that is where the apology comes in. I know that many of you decided to follow me after you saw a video of me working on the Jeep Cherokee, and I will not be working on that anymore because I did trade it into my Kia dealership. Because I did trade it in to the Kia dealership. So it is gone forever from me. But if you do stick around, I'm sure that I will come up with something that you will thoroughly enjoy or that you will find useful for your Cherokee at some point. As for those of you who are following me for my XJ content, don't worry, that is in full swing. I got more stuff coming up, as well as my TJ. I got a bunch of stuff coming up for that as well this year. And obviously, I'm going to be working on my Gladiator. Now, I just wanted to give a really big shout out to Valley High Kia. They were extremely helpful. I had a bad experience at another dealer and went there, and they immediately understood what my issue was, were very helpful. The salesman, Marwan, one of the nicest people I've ever met, and not just because he's a car salesman. When I went into finance, the person I was talking to asked me who the salesman was, and I said it was Marwan, and she goes, "Oh my God, isn't he the nicest person ever? We should all strive to have an attitude like him." And honestly, that's how I feel as well. Also, a big thank you to the sales manager, Danny. You were extremely helpful given my situation. So that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. As always, don't forget to subscribe down there. You can check me out on Instagram at It's Project Venture, as well as the Tickety Talk at It's Project Venture. Thanks for watching.